Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a real quick, easy unboxing, unenveloping, however you want to put it. Before we start, wearing my Yema Superman Heritage 63, one of my favorite daily wears over the last few months. If you don't have a Yema, get a Yema. Okay, let's just cut into this thing here. This is changing up the pace a little bit. There should be some EDC here. So it is an unboxing. All right, here we go. We have a bolt action pen with a hunting diary. Dear diary. Oh man, that is nice. The logbook diary came, I bought the pen, but it came with, the diary came with the pen. So the pen is really what I wanted. However, that's quite a handsome looking leather bound book there. Oh man. Okay. Refill. So let's check out this bolt action pen. Oh, that's way nicer than I was expecting. That looks pretty cool. As a rifle and a scope for the clip. Nice bolt action. As you can see, it's shaped like a round of ammo. That's pretty sharp right there. I'm gonna have to break this bad boy out and do some writing in my journal. So let's check out this journal. Let me tell you, this far exceeds what I was expecting from the picture on Amazon. This is pretty cool looking. Okay, that's cool. Has a nice pulp look to it. Uneven pages. Oh yeah, this is cool. I was not expecting it to be this nice. Like I said, I was going for the pen, and it came with this, so double the pleasure. And actually, yeah, this is really nice. All right, I will have to deploy these and give you guys a good review here in a week or two, let you know what I think. But first impressions is really cool. I don't think this is real leather maybe, but it has a nice plush, lush feel to it. Yeah, that's nice. And here's the pin. I like that. That's cool. All right, there you have it, a quick unboxing. And like I said, in a week or two, I'll put up a full review. But first impressions are very cool. Very pleased so far. All right, thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.